Hey everybody, welcome to Ardor 88 single box break of UD the Cup number 115. The last team that ended was the Edmonton Oilers on November 25th at 6:26 Eastern, 8:26 Mountain. So we are currently live on Breakers. And let's go to eBay's current date and time. Refresh. It's currently Tuesday, November 25th at 11:56 Eastern. I'm going to refresh once more. 11:56. Show it my camera. So, currently live on Breakers, recording. And it is 115. Alright. So just refresh once more for the time. 11:57. Alright, so today is box 6 of 6. We are expecting a case hit out of here. And E221331607. The best card that we got so far was the uncut sheets. And I did list a new box, or a box of the cup, which hasn't been. It's bought from a local card store. And KSET has box 3 of 6, I believe. And he has Dominion listed as well. So double box Dominion, so check that out. Serial number NE221331607. And Upper Deck, or not Upper Deck, sorry, Imperial has the website that's launched, so we are still taking registrations. So be sure to check out future breaks on there. If you have any shipping requirements for tracking, do let me know. Let's try the serial number again. One 607. Alright. Session. Alright. Good luck. Come on, big money case hit. Hoping for a Mac. We're still waiting. Okay. I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. Come on. Alright. We start off with a base for the Minnesota Wild of Danny Heatley. Card 64 of 249. Okay, big money. Come on. Looks like Anaheim Ducks. ARP. Victor Fast. 3 colors, slightly 3 colors. 3 breaks. Card 98 of 249. Ooh, 1 of 1, Patrick Waugh. Oh, wow. Wow, Montreal Canadiens. Hello, 1 of 1 tag. Wow, that is sick. Wow. Absolutely sick. 1 of 1. Definitely message me for tracking. Whoever got Montreal. Wow. So sick. So sick. I gotta sleeve this beast up. I gotta 180 this right now. Wow, that is absolutely gorgeous. All right. Is that yours, XCon? You won? No, no, no. This is Ardor 88. Did you win Montreal? Ardor 88. I'll show you the card again. And a program of excellence, Scott Loudon for the Philadelphia Flyers. Card 9 of 10, Team Canada. Wow, this is absolutely a sick box so far. Monstrous, Victor Fass. Wow, program of excellence. And Edmonton Oilers of Will Acton. Will Acton. And we have his signature patches for the Calgary Flames. Wow, 4-color, 4-break of Jarome Iginla. Wow, this was absolutely sick. Sick, sick. So Patrick Waugh, 101. Show you the hits on my phone. So definitely message me for tracking. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright. Well, that concludes our break. So KSET's break will be starting soon. So be sure to check out our other breaks. Have a